Hi, it's Torsten Lange, founder and director of the Reiki Academy in London, and I'm so looking forward to my new workshop that is running this coming Saturday on the 24th of March in London. It's called Reiki for the 21st Century, and the idea behind is that we can together explore so much more of the depth of what Reiki really is. Reiki is both. It's a lifestyle and a complementary therapy. But what does that actually mean? When we use Reiki, we often think, wow, this is incredible. I have such a deep spiritual experience. But as the famous religious philosopher Pierre Teilhard de Chardin once said, we are not humans having a spiritual experience. We are spirit having a human experience. We are spirit, and our everyday life is the experience we are having. And once we look at Reiki from this angle, we can understand what it really can do. Reiki can become a personal spiritual path. And this will be the first part of the workshop, finding our discipline to let Reiki filter through every single aspect of our life and bring happiness, health, well-being on every level of our existence. It sounds a bit too good to be true, but it really is possible. We'll be working hard on that. It will be a bit of a roller coaster, but it will be incredible. It's very much work in progress for me. I'm using this every day on myself, and I'm sharing what I have learned so far. Reiki can really transform our lives. This workshop is for people who have already done Reiki, who have learned Reiki 2 or even are Reiki masters. So it's designed for people who have got some experience and then take this experience on a higher level. We will be using the Reiki principles as a tool for an incredible transformational energetic journey. In the afternoon, we will look at how this can transform our healing practice, what that means when we give Reiki treatments to other people. And honestly, it can take our healing practice to a completely different level. It adds a new dimension. We are spirit. Once we open up to that, it's not us doing something anymore. We are completely one with the universe, and the highest, finest vibrations in the universe can just flow through us and facilitating healing on an incredible level. We will really take ourselves out of a Reiki treatment. We will take our ego out, and we allow the full power of Reiki to be in charge. We'll do that with a number of authentic, original practices in Reiki, and we will add a very different technique that has always been in Reiki, but so few people have used it so far. We will explore the power of sound healing, and we will use Reiki as sound healing to fill our bodies as bodies of resonance with the power of Reiki. I have done that, and I know it's mind-blowing. I'm so looking forward to sharing that with you this coming Saturday. There are still a few places left. Just go to the website reikiacademylondon.com and book your space. It's designed for Reiki 2 and Reiki Masters, but if you have done Reiki 1 and done that for quite some time, you can sneak in as well. I really look forward to seeing you.